in here.
It's definitely good.
It's the only cover we have.
Nice. We're gonna be here for a while.
Where'd you get your scar? That one?
Oh, a knife fight?
The way people act around you, the way they treated you at that restaurant, it's like they're scared of you.
They're not scared of me. I might be scared of who I used to be.
And who was that?
Somebody different?
So you used to be tough. Maybe still are a little bit. You don't scare me, John.
No? Well, you scare me.